In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your site in Squarespace. This is a great way to back up your work or move your content to another platform like WordPress. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up Squarespace. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your site's settings. Once you're logged in and have reached your homepage, you'll notice a menu on the left side of your screen. At the bottom of this menu, you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, in the Settings menu, look for the option that says Import and Export Content and click on it. This section is your gateway to exporting your site. Here, you'll see two options presented before you, Import and Export. Since our focus today is on exporting, you'll want to click on Export. After clicking Export, you'll be prompted to select the platform to which you'd like to export your site. Squarespace provides an option to specifically export to WordPress, which is what we'll be utilizing. Click on WordPress and Squarespace will begin generating an export file for you. This file contains all the necessary data to help you move your site content smoothly over to a WordPress platform. During this time, it's important to note that the process can take a little while, so patience is key here. The speed at which the file is generated depends on the size of your website and the amount of content it holds. While waiting, it's always a good idea to ensure your internet connection is stable so the process won't be interrupted. Once Squarespace has finished generating the file, you'll see an option to download it. Simply click on Download and the file will be saved to your computer. This exported file is usually in an XML format, which is compatible with WordPress. You might want to double-check the download location on your computer so it's easy to find when you're ready to upload the content to your new site. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your site from Squarespace. This step-by-step approach ensures that you can transition to another platform smoothly while keeping your content intact. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Squarespace has a comprehensive support section that might offer the answers you need. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel free to check out our other videos for more useful tips. Happy exporting!